Here come a truck. It's beeping.
You hear a truck going beep?
Daddy, I want Mommy.
Where is she?
I want
Where is she?
I want to be at work.
She's at work, yeah.
I want
How come you're at home?
And go get Mommy.
She'll come home. When
I'll go get she.
you want to go get her at work?
I'm driving away and go get her.
Okay. Are you going to take my car? Or are you going to take your fire engine?
I take.
Or your bike?
I'll take all to get Mommy.
What vehicle are you going to drive?
I drive Mommy's car.
You're going to take her car? Yeah.
I'm gonna drive Daddy's.
Okay, you can take my car.
Here I am. I will get back to Mommy. And on you up goes. And when you get to school, you get up to work, okay? After school, we can go get pizza, oven, pizza, oven. Pizza.
How's the snow, Ruby?
The sun was cold.
I bet. Do you want your gloves on yet?
Hi! Cold.
Is that a snowball?
Happy and could have hot chocolate.
Yeah, they did have hot chocolate, didn't they? When we had a snowball fight. Do you want to throw a snowball at me?
Uh-oh. Daddy, what happened to your nose? Come on, I beat your nose. Mom, I beat Daddy's nose.
What did you do to it?
I don't know. I beat it.
Yeah, you beat it up, alright.
Daddy, can I do a different shovel?
Yeah, you want to keep shoveling? Okay, let's keep shoveling.